So I'm here at the GMC dealer checking out some trucks because I need some information. I think they got Chevys down on that end, but look at these brand new trucks here. Isn't that nice? All lifted and everything. Let's take a look. Spindle lift, 2-wheel drive, probably a Pro Comp kit. Torsion bar. Here's the bump stop extension. I think it's a Pro Comp kit. See the bump stop there? Let's see, what do they want? $74,000. It started out at 82, 76, and went down to 74. The Duramax diesel. Denali HD. Isn't that nice? Or do you prefer a blue one? This one here is a torsion bar. No, this isn't a torsion bar. This is a coil sprung. This has a strut spacer on it. See that? Nice. Another strut spacer kit on this one, and this is only a 2-wheel. No, looks like a 2-wheel drive. Yeah, it is 2-wheel drive. Pro Comp kit. I'm interested in the Colorado, so let's go look at the Colorados. What else they have out here. While I'm out looking around, I was over at Saints Off-Road earlier, which is down that way, and I'm looking for someone to install my gears. At this time they don't do gear installs. He says come back in a couple months. So I wanted to see what the bump stop spacing is on a stock Colorado. And you see that right there. That's it. I can barely stick a finger in there. It's pretty tight. But that's not a 4x4. Here's a 4x4 next door, but this is ZR2. It's got a little bigger gap on it. It's got the cast upper control arms. That's kind of nice. A nice bright red. I like the white one. Here's a ZR2. The factory price is $44,000. Dealer asking price is $49,000. Wow. Wow. Here. So this is the factory bump stop mount. Okay. Here's the actual little pad that's in there. It just pops in there, makes contact right there. But you know, with the lift kit, see, this is how much the lower suspension drops down from here. It was up here, and now it's down here. This is never going to go all the way up there without the suspension topping out, without my strut stopping out. So I'm doing my own custom thing here. Well, hopefully it works. This is very labor intensive, time consuming, trying to get everything to, let's see, how's this going to work, you know? I'm trying to use the existing mount, so the idea is as you can see, yeah, I hacked it up. That's being much easier with the proper tools like a cutting torch or a plasma cutter, but that's what I got. Grinders and sawzalls, and figure take a little bit off there. Okay. And then on the bottom, cut a 2-inch hole with a hole saw. So I got my hole saw right there. So the bump stop body, this is the body. I'll slide in there. Okay. Gotta do some alignment though. See, all this takes time. You just can't hack it up. You gotta figure out, well, wait a minute. It's gotta be at a proper angle and all that. So I'm gonna go off this angle right here, see? I'm gonna square it up with that because that's the way the original one was in there. And then to secure it, I need to put in the can mount here. So this will go on top. Like something like that. Like I said, I gotta clean it up so everything fits nice and square. I'll fit it up dry, and then I'll get my welder up and weld everything back up on the sides and on the bottom. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit more work. Yeah, this needs to go back more. I need to trim some off the top here so this sits flush and squared up. It's all trial and error. Then hopefully everything works out. I'll slip the body in there, slide that over the top, line everything up, tack it in place, and then do the finish welds and hope it works. All this takes a lot of time, a lot of thinking, you know, can't have interruptions. I'm having a tough time getting into it though, just not feeling it. If you know what I mean. So I'm just trying to take it easy and focus, you know, stay focused. So that's what's going on. Somebody was asked where did I got these bump stops at. These are from Daystar. These are not gas or oil filled or air bumps. They've got a rubber dampers inside the body. All right, I think I got it figured out. Took a bit of grinding and cutting and trimming just a little at a time. So here's the bump stop. I took it apart just so I can fit it up. And you see it has a little ring on there. That little ring locks it in place. So the ring will fit on the bottom like that. Okay. And the can holds the rest of it in place. So this can is going to get welded in. This will float in there, so this is going to go something like that. Come on, it's tight fit. There we go, like that. That's the plan. Let's see, everything better work. Well, hey out there, it's going on 6 o'clock. 5:45? No, 5:45. Yeah, 5:45. Well, I got this side done with that. It's all back together. I need to torque some stuff down, but it's all reassembled. There's my bump stops. We'll see how they hold up. I'm no professional welder, you know. I had some difficult welds trying to get back in there, but that's what it is. Got my brake line in on this side. Longer brake line now, so new struts. So I just finished putting the bump stop on this side, and see, I still got to do the brake line, and fuck. Holy smokes, I'm going to try putting the strut back in there and see how far I get, because I got to do that. Get that in, and then I think I can start reassembling everything. And well, brake line, I guess I'll put the brake line off till tomorrow, the way it looks right now. I hope it don't rain.